The script starts with the narrator speaking while the host stands near the 2025 Winnebago RV, gesturing towards its sleek design. The 2025 Winnebago RV has arrived, redefining what it means to explore the open road. Packed with innovative features, this model combines comfort, functionality, and cutting-edge technology, setting a new benchmark for recreational vehicles. The exterior design is both modern and aerodynamic, crafted with lightweight materials that enhance fuel efficiency while maintaining durability. Subtle accents and a bold grille give it a striking presence, ensuring it turns heads wherever it goes. As we step inside, the interior immediately impresses with its thoughtful layout and premium finishes. The open floor plan maximizes space, creating a bright and inviting living area. Soft touch furnishings and natural wood accents elevate the aesthetic, making it feel more like a luxury apartment on wheels. The kitchen is fully equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including a convection microwave, an induction cooktop, and a spacious refrigerator. Countertops are made of durable yet elegant solid surfaces, perfect for preparing meals on the go. The sleeping area is a haven of comfort, featuring a queen or king-sized bed with high-density memory foam for restful nights after a day of adventure. Overhead storage and cleverly designed closets ensure plenty of room for clothing and gear. The bathroom is equally impressive, with a full-size shower, a porcelain toilet, and a vanity that rivals those found in high-end hotels. Enhanced lighting and ventilation add to the sense of luxury. One of the standout features of the 2025 Winnebago RV is its smart technology integration. The control panel allows users to manage lighting, temperature, and even water usage with a simple touch or voice command. Connectivity is seamless, with built-in Wi-Fi, USB ports, and wireless charging stations strategically placed throughout the vehicle. Entertainment options include a high-definition smart TV and a premium sound system, ensuring relaxation is just as enjoyable as exploration. This RV is also designed for practicality and performance. Equipped with a powerful yet efficient engine, it provides a smooth and reliable ride. The advanced suspension system ensures comfort on uneven terrain, while the all-wheel drive option offers confidence in a variety of conditions. Safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system make driving stress-free, whether navigating highways or maneuvering in tight spaces. For those who love the outdoors, the exterior includes a retractable awning with LED lighting, providing the perfect space to relax or entertain. Storage compartments are spacious and easy to access, offering ample room for camping gear, bicycles, or other essentials. Optional solar panels and a lithium-ion battery system allow for off-grid adventures without compromising comfort. The 2025 Winnebago RV is more than just a vehicle, it's a gateway to unforgettable experiences. With its perfect blend of luxury, innovation, and practicality, it caters to travelers who seek freedom without sacrificing the comforts of home. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country journey, this RV is ready to make every moment extraordinary.